Hi, I'm Bob LaRosa. Welcome to FixMyHog. Well, by now, we're all familiar with the Love Jugs brand cooling system. The research and development department at Hammerhead Engineering, the creator of Love Jugs cooling system, I want to introduce you to the new Coolmaster. It's 15% smaller. As you can see from the outer cover, this happens to be the slotted style from the original Love Jugs. You can see the diameter difference. And even though the new Coolmaster is 15% smaller, the CFM, the actual cubic feet per minute output, is greater than the original. And bear in mind, the original Love Jugs by far exceeded twice the output of any other fan available on the market for the Harley-Davidson engine. When it comes to the V-twin Harley-Davidson engine that we're so familiar with, there's always been two issues. One is heat, and the second has been vibration. The second, the vibration part, I myself have never seemed to mind, either has my passenger. But when it comes to mechanical components, they have a tendency to get fatigued and fail sooner than they should have due to excessive vibration. Getting back to the heat issue. Heat is an issue not only for the rider and passenger's overall comfort, and heat is really an issue when you're in stop traffic. Again, cooling systems, there's a handful on the market, there's a bunch of different designs. The oil cooler has its place because of the additional capacity of oil that it holds, but it does us no good when you're standing still in traffic. The engine's circulating slower because the RPMs are down. At this point, the only way to correctly cool an aluminum V-twin Harley-Davidson engine is to be able to get a nice cross breeze, a nice fresh flow of air across the cylinder fins. Those fins are made to take the heat away from the cylinder and the piston and the rings, and importantly your oil, and let it dissipate across the fin on the cylinder. By adding the Love Jugs cooling system, this forces air across those fins whether you're at idle or at highway speeds. And even though the Coolmaster produces more CFM than the originals and are smaller and more compact in design, they're only a couple decibels louder than the originals. And whether it's the original or the Coolmaster, it makes no difference. You cannot hear the fans running when the motorcycle is running. Even with stock exhaust, which there aren't many of those left. But with a stock exhaust, these cannot be heard, so they're quiet. They're efficient. Harley-Davidson makes a multitude of frames. The key with mounting the Love Jugs cooling system, whether it be the original or the Coolmaster, is to keep the vibration away from the component. And it has nothing to do with inferior build. When it comes to quality, you can see on this bullet style cover for the original style Love Jug unit, even the inserts are high quality brass. You're not threading the hardware into the plastic, but into an insert. When it comes to nice, high quality components, you have to remember the Love Jugs cooling system. Everything from the fit and finish, the high quality aircraft grade stainless steel that's polished. It eliminates any of the issues that we've had with chrome in the past. Chipping, scratching. If you happen to get a minor abrasion in the stainless, it can be repolished out. Once you breach the surface of chrome, all it does is want to peel back and corrode. High quality stainless, it's the way to go now. And you'll see, some stainless steel you could actually stick a magnet to. There's not a part on this that a magnet will adhere to because it is such good quality stainless. All the internals are outdoor grade, 100% weatherproof. You don't have to worry about any type of environmental contamination causing any type of failure. When it comes to warranty, there's probably not a better in the industry. Whether it's the Love Jugs Original or the new Cool Master, you get a year. I can explain something to you honestly. Dave Sandell, Hammerhead Engineering, the creator, the inventor of the Cool Master and the original Love Jugs cooling system, is a stand-up guy. You have problems with these, he wants to know about it. When you get your packaging, there'll actually be a card in there that everybody who worked on your particular unit signed off on it. So if there is an issue and it falls outside of materials and manufacturing quality but into assembly, Dave is going to take care of it because he can track it right back to who put their hands on your particular unit when it was built. Besides the high quality of all the products used to create the Love Jugs cooling system, the meticulous assembly, this just comes to be, hands down, the finest cooling system available for your Harley-Davidson engine. And there's only one way to really see that, is to actually turn them on. They would be on your motorcycle. It'll spin a pinwheel. You can stand way back with this. What you really need is that nice fresh airflow covering the entire distance between the V-twin cylinders. I've got a good 3-4 feet here, and you've got a nice solid airflow. This cooling system will, without a doubt, drop the temperature on the Harley-Davidson motorcycle quick. Whether you're traveling down the road, whether you're sitting in an idle. And now we were out this year. I still drive an older Evolution, and most of my friends drive twin cams. Sitting in traffic, we had one twin cam come up to almost 500 degrees. We actually took that motorcycle that weekend, put one of these assemblies on it, went out, the weather was still typical to the prior weekend. This unit itself dropped that motorcycle's temperature more than 100 degrees in less than 4 or 5 minutes. When it was left running, it more than cut that temperature that that motor was running at by a full third. And we're talking almost 200 degrees. That's how good these units work. And not only are they beautiful from the front, and they're just as beautiful from the back. Not only designed, engineered, and assembled, whether it is the all full stainless steel unit, or the gloss black or matte black, new Cool Master, or originals, what you're going to get with Love Jugs products time in, time again, is high quality. Even when it comes down to the band style clamps, the worm screw style clamps that attach the frame mount to the frame of the motorcycle when you opt to use the frame mount system as opposed to the horn mount, the direct horn mount system. Even the band clamps, they're nicely engraved, Love Jugs. Now this is done on a component that's never going to be exposed. Once you put this together correctly, put the fuel tank back on, you will never see this. But this is the type of quality, the type of pride that's put into each and every Love Jugs cooling unit. And whether it is the polished stainless steel Cool Master unit, it is the matte black Cool Master unit, or the gloss black original style Love Jugs, bear in mind they're always built with 100% stainless steel, lies beneath the matte black finish or the gloss black finish. Same quality, same engineering goes into each and every unit, no matter what the final appearance is. Polished stainless, matte black, or gloss black. One of the great things about the Love Jugs cooling system, whether it's the originals or the Cool Master, mounting the system to the motorcycles always been a problem. Love Jugs, Hammerhead Engineering are going to keep the mounting procedure simple. There's going to be a frame mount system. There's going to be a horn mount system. When I say horn mount, I'm not talking about hanging the component off the horn itself. Talking about utilizing the stock horn configuration and hanging or mounting the Love Jugs cooling system off of the horn mount bracket, which is typically your top motor mount. Both of these systems, the way they're designed, should cover a multitude of applications, whether it's a $100,000 custom or a 25-year-old dresser, Electroglide, Softail. These systems are going to simplify mounting the best cooling system available for your Harley-Davidson. When it comes to packaging and shipping, there's no chance of anything getting damaged because they're all packed correctly. Shipping is always free, typically a couple days away as far as anyone I've ever talked to. And I have friends and customers all over the country have ordered these units, installed them themselves, and had great results with the Love Jugs, whether it's the original or the Cool Master.